Well, I decided to roll the die. I went to the post office. I splashed out the $49, bought an album, bought a roll, and I haven't opened it yet. I'm really hoping I've got one of the Australia Post coins with the privy mark, but I'm not a very lucky person, so I very much doubt it. But instead of buying C, E, L and W, I just figured I might as well go and get these. I've already spent $85 with stamps, album and coins, and ended up 4 short. The second week and the third week I was very lucky. The counter cashier person, they made sure I got a different coin, but on the fourth week I bought about 6 coins, I think, expecting to just get the last 6, and then I noticed I had an A coin, and that was from the first week, so I then bought another 6, but I just ended up with, I think I've got 1 triple, a few doubles, well, most of 14 doubles, and no, 4 triples, not 1 triple, 4 triples, and 14 doubles. Anyway, I didn't get all the coins, so I've already taken the tape off because that would be a two-handed operation, and I've only got the one hand. This is the roll as it comes. I've taken the tape off, so hopefully we should be able to get in. Oh, it's proving a lot more difficult than I imagined. Well, there we go. So the coins are out. I don't want to touch them, so we'll try and turn them over, see what they are. That's boomerang. Not sure what that one is. It's not the A. If we can find the A, surfer, can't find the A coin. It's got to be in here somewhere. That's footy. Well, for some reason I can't. It should be easy to spot with the the Australia Post. So there's the A coin, and no, it doesn't have the mark. Oh well. I kind of knew that would happen anyway, so I'm not going to buy any more sets. You can quickly end up spending a lot of money chasing coin with the privy mark. So, but at least I have a full set now. And for me, the hunt is well and truly over. Maybe I can pick one up on eBay, but I'm not paying hundreds of dollars.